Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different than what I usually do. Today's video is actually an unboxing. This unboxing adventure, or whatever the frick you call it, is brought to you by Influenster. So let me give you a little background real quick. Influenster is an app you can sign up and you can pretty much write reviews on beauty products, hair products, skin products, and literally pretty much anything like household items. Sorry, I'm trying to fix this lighting, but it's like hopeless. In turn to writing reviews and stuff, there's a chance that sometimes you will get sent free products
for the purpose of trying them out, testing them, reviewing them, and writing a little review, like either on your Instagram, YouTube channel, on the Influencer app, whatever. There's like all different angles to this whole little system.
But it's actually really cool because you do get the chance to get sent free product, like full-size product, cosmetics, all of that. I look like a teacher. They send you emails and give you the opportunity to sign up to be a part of a campaign. One day I came home from work to this lovely box. So this is the Cherish box from Influencer. It's a nice size box. Pretty much I'm loving this box because there is something in there for the whole family. So when you sign up for Influencer, you give them some background information, like, you know, if you're a mom or this or that. So I got some really cool products in here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. So first of all, for free, they literally sent me an entire Pantene conditioner. So I have never heard of a foam conditioner before, but I'm holding one in my hand right now. So this is for in the shower, daily moisture renewal conditioner for fine, flat hair. Light moisture, zero weight. I am a mother of two young little girls, and they sent me this little Mott's apple juice. And they sent me a coupon along with that as well. It's a $2 off Target coupon. So this is called Mott's Sensibles. This is apple raspberry 100% real juice. 30% less sugar than apple juice. This is just a nice little drink that my toddler can try out. So thoughtful. And by the way, this is the little slip that they put in my box. It says hashtag Cherish Box. Beautiful little note card right here, and then on the back it says every single product that you received. It gives you their for like their Twitter, their Instagram. It gives you the hashtag that you should use if you share a post about the product, and this is like so helpful. So it kind of gives you direction. It shows you like, oh, also it shows the prices of each product, so you know like what you got some money's worth of products in this box for free. To give you a little insight, the Pantene conditioner is $6.99 and the Mott's apple juice is a 6-pack of those would be $3.49. I do have a cat, but I actually don't have a dog. I did get a little dog toy here. It's like a little tuggy rope called Tiki Twins Tug. And it has a little note card here as well. Just a couple more things here. I actually got a perfume sample. This is Vera Wang Embrace. It's a nice mini little spray bottle there. I haven't even smelled it yet. So this is like a floral, fruity fragrance. Sparkling mandarin, tuberose, French lavender. That's really nice. So the last product is another full-size product. This is a Dove product. This is Dove Men Dry Spray. This is basically a spray-on deodorant. This smells really good. I let my boyfriend try it, and yeah, very appealing smell. Fresh, clean, stain defense, and 48-hour protection.
Can I try it?
Retail price $5.99. This box seriously, it made me really happy when I received it. It actually was like a really good feeling to open up a nice little care package like this. That's what it felt like. It felt like it was a care package for me and my family. So if you guys want to sign up for Influenster, go to the App Store and download it. It's totally free, and you can just create your profile and go from there. So thank you guys so much for watching this fun little unboxing video. Maybe you were wondering like what exactly Influenster is. So there's a little insight. And I'll see you in my next video.